Wisconsin voters will head to the polls tomorrow to narrow the field of candidates in the state Supreme Court race from 3 to 2.
Now, those top two vote getters advance to the general election in April. Reporter Esther Wells previews the race.
A Republican appointee, a Madison judge, and a law professor vying for state Supreme Court. Incumbent Daniel Kelly was appointed by former Governor Scott Walker in 2016. He said this weekend that a vote for him is a vote to continue the work he's been doing, making the law clearer to the public.
I think it's really important that we write opinions that are clear and concise and can be picked up by anyone in the state of Wisconsin and read through it and understand what we're doing.
He said his 30-year-long experience in the field of law is a plus.
In some ways, I've been preparing for this position unknowingly pretty much my entire career.
Running against him is Madison Judge Jill Karofsky. She said at a meeting with supporters in La Crosse Friday that she plans to take from her time as a Dane County judge.
In my courtroom, I follow the rule of law every day. I treat everyone in my courtroom equally and fairly and respectfully, and that's what I'm going to do on the Wisconsin State Supreme Court.
She said voters want an end to corruption in government and promises to deliver that.
They know why this election is important, and they want to stop corruption on the Wisconsin Supreme Court.
Also running is Ed Falone, whose background as a Marquette law professor, he says, is his strength. We caught up with him as he was traveling between campaign events.
That's exactly the kind of experience or perspective that we're missing on our state's highest court.
Falone ran unsuccessfully for a court seat in 2013. If elected this year, he would be the first Latino to serve on the state Supreme Court.
It'll be a better Supreme Court for my experience and for my knowledge of trying to make the system work better from the outside. Once I'm on the court, I can do that from the inside.
Well, the state Supreme Court race is the only statewide race on every ballot. Falone and Karofsky, both liberal-leaning, are running for that seat on the conservative court. A win for either of them would reduce the conservative majority to 4-3.
But all three candidates say their campaigns aim to make the court less politically polarized. Whoever wins the seat will serve a 10-year term.